Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. It's January 1st, 2022. So first of all, I'm wishing you Happy New Year. As we all know, there are used vehicle and new vehicle crisis. So I went on the local fair to see what cars are still available and what are the used cars prices when it's being sold by the private party and not a dealer. And there are actually a bunch of Toyotas here. This one seems to be very clean and it already has somebody interested in it. No wonder. And I read the tag and what the owner is asking for it. So it's a 2008 Toyota Sienna LE. This one has only 126,000 miles on the odometer. Seems to be in perfect clean condition. Very nice maintenance. There is actually even the report inside, and the owner is asking $8,000 for this one. I think in today's prices this could be a really good buy for somebody. Right next to it, it's a little baby 2012 Prius C. This one has only 52,000 miles on the clock, and the seller is asking $10,000. This one definitely brings memories to me. When I met my wife, she was driving the same generation of Toyota Tacoma. She had a 93 with 4-cylinder and 5-speed manual transmission, matching camper like this one. She had a Yakima roof racks on it, and that was super fun and a zippy vehicle. Let's go look how much, what's the year and how much this one's supposed to go for. I look on the other side, what is the description? So apparently it's a year 2000. It has almost 200,000 miles. As we said, it's a 4-cylinder manual, 2-wheel drive. The owner's asking $4,000. Just see something happened to this baby here. It's pretty banged up. The grill, which is broken off, you can see it right here. It's actually, right, this is peeling off kind of, so this is not good. You got it some kind of fender bender, because this side is better, the other one it's not. It's another ding here. The grill is actually in the trunk. I saw it inside. But that's definitely very useful 4-cylinder, good in gas. Maybe this one is damaged a little bit too much. Whenever I look, there are dents, so I'm not sure if even $4,000 is a good price for this one. And I had no idea I will see even 4-wheel drive Tacoma. This one is also 2000, so basically the same year. It has some non-matching rims. Obviously it's sun-baked. Who knows what this one saw? The paint is not really good. Apparently this is automatic 4-wheel drive with the V6 engine. It has some kind of aftermarket stuff on the front. I will just show you. It's not really matching, it's not finished correctly. It's barely kind of, it gives me feel it's barely hanging there actually. You see the details. So I'm not sure if asking for this $9,000 with 242,000 miles and in very rough shape, it's also not a little bit too much. This one just showed up. I saw people parking it minutes ago. So obviously it's a RAV4 Sport. Let me go get on the other side, read the info and tell you more about this one. So the sticker claims it's a 2011 4-cylinder 4-wheel drive. It has 205,000 miles on the odometer, and the owner is asking $8,800. Shockingly, there's another one here. This one is 2008 Toyota Yaris. I'm getting in your way, unfortunately. Has 116,000 miles on the clock. Who knows what happened to this one? I don't know. The owner is asking $6,000. It has some condensation, so there's probably water in the trunk. That's why there's so much water on that rear window. I definitely didn't expect so many Tacomas from this period of time. So this is Tacoma Pre-Runner V6, but it has that nice 4-door full cab, obviously very tiny bed. The tires, nothing special, some weird aftermarket rims. Let's go look what the owner wants for this one. Chips on the hood in the paint, totally normal for something so old, will you not say? It's a SR5, I see it there. So this one is 2003 with 246,000 miles on the clock, and the owner still wants $12,500. Look at this puppy. That looks like a beautiful Sequoia. The color, it's not my first choice. It's a limited, so it will be loaded. Roof racks for all those kayaks and stuff like that. Somebody put a little step here. We know these engines are almost unbreakable. Will you not agree? So let's go see what this one will go for. Parking sensors. The tires are Michelin's. This is suddenly spiking my interest because I can see this is clean. The people didn't bother to clean the hazy headlights. But other than that, this one might have been garaged. The tires are most expensive ones. The rims, everything is matching. The rotors looks great. So let me hop closer and tell you the price. And I'm on purpose not showing those tags with people's phone numbers and so on. So this one, it's 2008 Sequoia, has 202,000 miles on the odometer. It's a 4-wheel drive, as we saw, and the owner is asking $15,500. I saw the interior, it looks spotless, so I will say definitely not bad purchase. I like it. If we need it in our family, big tank, famous gas guzzler, but super safe and comfortable, I will be definitely going to ask for the key and try to see the engine, how it runs, and so on and so on. Not bad, I like it, it's very clean. Talking about the tanks, and in this case the opposite of everything stock, this is customized. I mean, the wheels look beautiful, the tires seems to be Goodyear's Wranglers, so that will be good one. There is that heavy duty step looking pretty good. So this is for folks on this channel who loves the customizing. So what do you think? What year is this Tundra? I see aftermarket sway bar endlings. Somebody put bunch of money in this one to customize it. Obviously we said it's a Tundra. It has a rear view camera. These are the blackened taillights. Tip with Toyota logo. Very interesting. What will people do, or what details they will go. Let's see, I will go and check the tags for you again after seeing everything around. And let's see what is this one about. Another nice little detail customizing here is that light bar, actually very tastefully hidden there. Nothing obnoxious. So far it really looks pretty good. Let me check the price. So it's a 2014 Tundra 4-wheel drive. It has 85,000 miles, so pretty low. And the owner is asking for this baby $36,000. So thank you for watching, and once again, Happy New Year to all of you.